Well, Growers Edge, I think, has made us more money by allowing me to survey the local bids that I'm in the area that I want to sell my grain. The local elevators and the ethanol plants know that this information is out there, so they've got to be competitive if they want to get the grain. You know, we've been able to maximize our return on our farm.
Good afternoon and welcome to GrainTV. It's August 26, 2013. To my left is Logan Burgess and I'm Brock Schimbro. We had a very sharp rally in the grains today. Let's turn with a fire tip to see how we ended. Corn on the new crop was up 30.5 cents. Soybeans for new crop was up 61.5. Wheat in Chicago up 20.25, and Kansas City was up 12.75 as well. You know, Logan, we kind of alluded to this on Friday afternoon. Pro Farmer came out and they released some results that were a little bit lower than what the USDA is currently expecting. We thought that would give the markets just a little bit of a boost heading into Sunday night, and that's exactly what we got, and some.
Yeah, certainly. You know, I think the extent of the rally today kind of took a lot of people by surprise, but as you said, kind of setting the foundation for today's action was those numbers out from Pro Farmer, coming in below what the USDA had projected for both corn and soybeans. But certainly there's still some time left in this crop if we can get some good weather. The big thing to take away from today was that all weather expectations here are for limited precipitation and particularly strong heat here across the grain belt moving forward over the next 6 to 10 days. Take a look here at a chart provided by Planalytics. As you can see, in particular, the western portion of the Corn Belt is going to be hit very hard. And this is one area that a lot of people have concerns about right now, that western Iowa, eastern Nebraska area, even southern Minnesota, they're exceptionally dry right now from talking to producers on the ground. They really need some relief, and it doesn't look like it's going to be coming here over the next 6 to 10 days. This is especially important for soybeans right now. The USDA this afternoon reported 82% now pod setting, so I think that's why soybeans really led higher. People are concerned about corn as well, but really soybeans seem to be in the driver's seat here today, corn and wheat falling higher.
Yeah, you know, we didn't really get too many surprises out of the USDA today. If we take a look at the actual numbers for the crop progress report, you can see that corn came in at 59% rated good to excellent. That was right in line with what analysts were expecting. Soybeans at 58% good to excellent. That was just a little bit lower than what the analysts were expecting. We were looking at about 59% there. So we are seeing some of that deterioration start to take hold in the good to excellent ratings we've fallen over the last couple of weeks or so. But the important thing to note here is how far behind on the actual production phases we are. Corn, we're only dented at 23% this week. Normally for this time of year we're about 45% complete there. Soybeans on the pod setting 84%. Normally we're about 90% there. So we are just a little bit behind, especially in that soybean market, or excuse me, soybean crop. That's really going to be the one that needs the precipitation. Doesn't look like we have any relief in sight there. So really, you know, the potential still to the upside, I think, on the soybean market.
Yeah, you know, Brock, looking at soybeans here technically, let's take a look at a daily November candlestick chart, and certainly we're kind of in uncharted territory right now in terms of technicals. We took a run at 14 today. We really weren't able to get above that, though. Do you think we're going to test the contract highs here around 14.09?
You know, I think that would be the next area I'd be looking for resistance. $14 might offer up just a little bit of resistance, but like you said, we're kind of in uncharted territory right now. You know, I'd definitely be looking at the contract high we made last September, 14.09 3/4, as the next area that could be a stopping point, a little bit of resistance there.
Yeah, certainly. Well, here, weather over the next couple days or weeks in particular is going to really dictate the movement of this market. We'll keep you posted on all expectations here on GrainTV for that. Coming down the pipe here this week, we do have ethanol numbers out Wednesday. Export sales reported on Thursday, so we can see if those slow down the trade here a little bit. But certainly right now, this market's really in full swing. We'll have to see what it does tomorrow. Thanks a lot for joining us here on GrainTV. We'll see you then.